I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face it, a lot of people love the opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got the common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you will never know a god without a goddess. Honest, it's fucking honest, kid. I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pocket's empty. I could be the CEO, just look at Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't you ever think you ain't hella, these people dream, girl. They want to pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They want to see us end up like Regina on Mean Girls. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine.